pero I just want to say thank you so much, especially to our nanay, Mayor. Thank you. To you, Kong, thank you so much for your help. From Cathy, to IFFI, Miss Iloilo, to Lola Basin, to my team Avance, to all the SB members of Leon, to the 2nd District, to our Governor, and of course to everyone who's here supporting me sa tanan ng mga Leonian. Nakalako din salamat sa support ninyo. Oh, actually right now, as I was sitting in here, ginabalamdam ko, anong man bala ang babatsagan ko. Kasi syempre, as an athlete, bubudayan kami mag-show emotion. Yung ginagawa, bala ginimana, nagmahibi ako, why ang ito maybe, Pero, as I was sitting here right now, and nadumduman ko after sa coronation night nga, nag-open ako sa Facebook and I saw all of you in here watching sa aking event or our performance, and I can't help but to feel so much emotion. Siguro kay man, it's the same place nga yung kabakdan ko, the same place where, you know, it made me who I am. It's the same place nga gusto ko maghatag sa bugal. And I think I want to say thank you so much to my Lola Basing. Walang mo, hindi niyo ko mabatian. Wala. Wala siya hindi ka makabati. Pero I just want to say thank you so much, Lola. Palangga ko gid ikaw. Kung ay ikaw sa kabuhi ko, I don't think na ako si Alexi, nga ako talag. Si Lola Basing ang bali. Bisan hindi ka malabot one day, dapat remain gid ikaw nga humble and keep your feet on the ground. And palangga ko si Lola. So kung humble, mati ako ka na. Yes. Ang bali Lola, bisan one day, mag-training ako sa una, ganiri, ang nabilid ko, medyas ko. Ang bala, ay, puro tayo mo medyas yan. Hindi nakaraan ako. So, even on that small things, it would remind us, nga bisan din kita daan sa kabuhi natin, we always need to go back to our roots and to remain thankful and grateful. And as I was doing the caravan earlier, I saw a lot of my teachers from elementary, my classmates ko sa mga high school pa ako in elementary, and everyone. And I think nga, grabe ang aking pagpalangga kaninyo tanan. And I know nga, even though wala ka na sila sa top 5, but right now that I have another responsibility na may grounded sa mundo ko, of course, patayon kita sa pag-abansig. Is to tell you, when I was not announced in top 5, I actually didn't really cry, but I was more sad. Kasi syempre, whenever I asked you kung anong giman bala na gustuhan ninyo kanakan, you always say nga, you give people hope. So isang time nga, why ako na sila sa top 5, I felt like I took that away from you, and I was more sad that I know nga doon nasubuan ko mo kaysa sa feelings ko. And don't worry, no matter where life takes me, I'll always be proud to call myself Leon yan, nga palayo rin man kita sa pagkamansin. So, salamat. And I think I would also take this opportunity to just say a little bit of message to the kids and the women watching right now. Gusto ko lang mabalaan ninyo you know, you have someone like me, manang Sisi or si Sisi nga, makaintindi sa naging agyan mo. And never limit yourself. Hindi ka magambal, kay pigado lang ta, kay why kita tinanay, why kita titatay, so imposible na maglabot ang handun ta. Because if I listened to those people who told me I couldn't, I wouldn't be in this position that I am right now. You don't need to be the prettiest. You don't need to be the smartest girl in the room or the most astonishing one. All you need to do is to have a faith in yourself. Kasi pag hindi, magpati, kanina mo ang bilog ng kalimutan. Pag nagpati, ikaw sa kabulingan mo, hindi mabutil rin kanina. So just believe in yourself. And I think give importance sa pagpalangga ang mga ginikanan natin. To whoever we have. For me, I have Lola Basing. And I think everything that I'm doing right now is para sa iya. Without her, I don't think I'll be as courageous as I am. So Lula, I love you. I love you from the bottom of my heart, and I always make you proud. So Tani, we make our lolas proud, our lolos, our moms, our dads, our sisters, our cousins, and everyone. Palanggaan natin sila. And I think for me, palayo lang kita sa pag-show kang gratitude, recognition, and love towards people, regardless of differences nila. Like, regardless kung ano man ang skin tone nila, anong body type nila, gender orientation nila, dapat mag-remain lang kita na magpinalanggaan. We need to accept everyone for who they are and remain humble. We'll go back to our roots. And as much as there's so much that I can say, pero raka-raka din na salamat to my family, to my team Avance, to Mali, to IFFI, to all of you all, to the 2nd District, and to Buganians and Leonians. Thank you, kids. So, Avance Leon, Avance 2nd Distrito, Avance Iloilo, and Avance Babae. Thank you.
Yes.